boys and girls. Today we're going to talk more about the number 7. So let's start off with a 10 frame. Remember, a 10 frame has 10 squares in it, and we always start up here in the first spot. So let's put in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the way we always fill a 10 frame. We always fill across and we fill up the first 5 squares. And then if we need more, we start back over here. Just like we do when we're reading. We always start on the left side and read across the page and then come back. And that's the way we fill up a 10 square. So 7 dots across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. So there's our number 7. And I thought we'd take a look at my block tower. And let's make sure we have 7 here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. Now we did this, if you remember, with the number 6. So let's make 7 in some different ways. We can have a whole tall tower of 7 blocks. Or I can take 1 off, right? And put it right next to it. Kind of wear it on my finger there. And now I have 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1 more always makes 7. Right. All right, let's take off another one from the tall tower and put it on my little tower. And I didn't get rid of any blocks. They're still here. They're just in a new spot. So I can look quickly with my eyes and I know that this is 2, so I have 2 over here, but how many do I have in this tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have 5 and 2 more, that makes 7. And you know what? I was just looking at my 10 frame. So here's my blocks. And if I turn the blocks, it kind of reminds me of the 10 frame. 5 on the top, I have 5 dots in my 10 frame and 5 blocks in my tower, and then 2 more little blocks on the bottom and 2 more dots on my 10 frame. Kind of looks the same, doesn't it? Yeah, 5 and 2 makes 7. I think there's one more way we can probably do it. Ready? Take off another one, put it down. Oh, they're close, but there's still a taller one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks on this tower, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They still make 7. I still have all my 7 blocks. 4 and 3 more makes 7. Now, when we did 6, we were able to make them equal. Can we make these towers equal? If I took this block off the tall one, there we go, and put it over here, they're still not equal, are they? Now this one's the tall one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. But we just did that, right? We know that 3 and 4 will make 7 all together. So it's kind of neat. If you have a tower or if you have Legos, you could do it at home, build them up, and as long as you keep them all, it's just different ways to make 7. And that's the really early part of adding. We call that addition, putting groups together to get more. So here's our number 7. I'm going to turn on my smart board for a second here for us, and we're going to practice some counting, just in different ways, because we want to get really good and be really comfortable counting. And here we were counting in a line, like in our tower, but sometimes things are just spread out there and we need to count them. These cute cats are in a circle, but what can be tricky about counting in a circle is remembering where you started. It might get confusing if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could just keep going and going. I have to remember where I started. So that's why this arrow's here. We're going to start here. So I'm going to count this cat first. And then when I get back to it, I don't count it again. I have to stop before I count him again. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. We don't want to count that one again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cats in a line. We want to be careful when we count in a circle, and always remember to mark or put something where we started so we don't forget and count it again. Let's try this one. Oh, it's not going. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Now it looks like the cats have partners. They have a buddy. Let's count these cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. But this time they were with their partners. We could even count them this way. It's a group of 3 and a group of 3. 3 and 3 make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Okay, let's do this one. I think this one might be the simple one, huh? Let me shift it so we can see all of our cats, and they show us the number 6, and nice in a straight line, all lined up. This cat's first, this cat's last, going to the food bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Let's try one more. And we're going to count in a circle this time, counting those bumblebees. And remember, we need to stop when we get back to the red arrow. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. So how many bumblebees do we have? 7. 7 bumblebees, all circling around the beehive. Good job, boys and girls. We're going to keep counting, touching when we count, and moving those pieces around to see all the fun things and different ways we can make numbers. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.